Morning, members of San Diegans for Justice revealed the results of a study that was done to, quote, strengthen local law enforcement agencies.
This follows a recent state audit that blamed the San Diego County Sheriff's Department for failing to prevent the deaths of inmates in jails. CBS 8's Dana Marie McNichol joining us live with the details on this. Dana Marie.
Well, good morning to you both. Here in San Diego County, we have something called the Citizens Law Enforcement Review Board. Their job is to independently and impartially investigate citizens' response and investigations against the Sheriff's Department and also their probation officers. Now, we just heard from San Diegans for Justice. They actually commissioned a review to help those on the board investigate what's happening right now in our jails.
Should be able to investigate complaints against all staff, whether they be in the evidence department or the crime lab. It's important that they be given that freedom and that ability.
Now, this analysis is done by civilian oversight expert Dr. Sharon R. Farley. They gives recommendations for key changes the Board of Supervisors can make to protect our communities and also increase transparency and accountability. Now, state auditors conducted their review of the Sheriff's Department from July of 2021 to December of 2021 to find out why inmates in San Diego are more likely to die than in other county jails. The report says that the department's failure to consistently provide adequate medical and mental health care likely contributed to its high number of in-custody deaths. It also mentions detention staff performed insufficient safety checks and did not always provide prompt life-saving measures to unresponsive individuals. Now, the San Diego for Justice says currently the Citizens Law Enforcement Review Board doesn't have enough jurisdiction to conduct a thorough investigation, meaning interviewing medical staff, for example, are not including in their power to investigate. Another recommendation is providing more funding and resources. Now, this is a 96-page review, so San Diegans for Justice says that you can read it for yourself. It's a key part in the start of a reform here in San Diego, as well as creating a transparency and trust within our community. You can find that link on CBS8.com.